up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. Today you will get a chance to see me use the NeoCell Collagen powder in my coffee and other hot drinks. I'm starting off with the 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐒𝐈 mushroom coffee. Anytime I make this coffee, I like to use it with NeoCell. So I'm going to add just a little bit of the silk almond creamer and then add 1 tablespoon of the NeoCell. I wanted my coffee drinkers to get a visual so you can see how it looks anytime you'll be adding it. So this is day 1 and now you get to see day 2. So it's about 7 a.m. and I'm about to start my day with my Trader Joe's green tea. I love this stuff. So I'm going to be adding the NeoCell collagen powder to it so you guys would get to see if you like how it blends. And I must say, I drink tea on a regular basis. Every now and then I will consume caffeine, and when I do consume the caffeine, it's through the 𝐁𝐔𝐒𝐈𝐍𝐄𝐒𝐿 mushroom coffee mix, which is pretty good. But again, I do prefer tea, and every now and then I will consume the coffee. So I'm about to let my tea sit for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to add the honey and the NeoCell. And by the way, I wanted to just show you my skin and just show you how it's looking so far. So this is how my skin used to look back in May or June of 2020. And my skin is not perfect. However, I love the way how it's coming together. I noticed a big change in my texture, and I can see that not only is my hyperpigmentation is still being reduced, but also the tone, my skin tone also looks better as well. And by the way, guys, I will be 35 in a couple of days. And anytime I tell people I'm 35 with 6 kids, a lot of times they think I'm lying. And I must say, NeoCell is helping. My diet is helping big time. And some of my skincare products. And by the way, even though I use NeoCell, if you follow my channel, you know I'm a big believer that skincare starts with nutrition. So yes, I got the supplement in the back, but I always tell people eat healthy, because a lot of people ask me like, what should I do for my skin? You can use whatever supplement and skincare product that people are using, but if you just eating like anything and your diet is crap, you probably won't see the results that you're looking for. So yes, this is my skin. Sorry to go on a rant really quick, but I just want to share that with you. But this is my skin, and I'm loving it. Not bad. That's good. So now I'm about to grab another drink, and this is something that you drink every single day, which is water. So I'm going to grab the 𝐁𝐿 water in another brand as well. I'll take these two waters back to the house and test it out with the NeoCell, and you'll get a chance to see how the NeoCell dissolve in water.
What we do here is go back.
Okay, ladies, so this is the final drink and the most important drink, and that's because we drink water every single day. So I know a lot of you wanted to know, how does the NeoCell dissolve in water, and you'll get a chance to see it for yourself. By the way, when you add NeoCell to water, please use a measuring spoon. I made a little mess right here, but I was trying to make it work. But yeah, so this is how it looks when you add it to water. It was quite interesting because I noticed one bottle gave me a different result. One water bottle gave me a different result from the next. But yes, you can see it yourself, and it's pretty interesting. So just check it out. Well, I noticed that with one water it was pretty cloudy, and then with the next water it was kind of clear. And I noticed also that when you initially put the NeoCell inside of the water, it comes off to be chunky. Like, it seems like you just got a bunch of white chunks in the water, and then eventually it starts to break down, which was pretty interesting to me because I noticed in the hot drinks it'll start off as a little chunky, but it will break down sooner. So that was my take on it. And as you can see, over a period of time, if you just give it a little time, that the NeoCell powder will dissolve. It will take a little longer than a hot water, but it will dissolve. So there you have it, ladies. These are the waters. As you can see, one water looks different from the other, and I can see that the chunks are starting to dissolve. Now I'm about to do something special that I like to do to all of my waters, which is add liquid chlorophyll. By the way, check out this video once you get done watching this one. So liquid chlorophyll is a green superfood, and I like to use it in my waters because of the health benefits. So I will highly recommend, I don't want to spoil the video, but I will highly recommend that you go and check that video out. So as you can see, it's just a little bit of the chunks right now. It's been about 5 minutes, and it's really starting to break down. Don't taste bad. And actually, it's starting to go away. Remember, there was a lot at the bottom. It's only a little bit now, but tastes like regular water. Okay, ladies, so that is it for this video. I hope you found it to be very helpful. You got a chance to see how NeoCell dissolve in smoothies, tea, coffee, and water. And I get those questions a lot, so that's why I wanted to make this video. By the way, a link to NeoCell will be in the description box. And no, this video is not sponsored. Also, ladies, I'm a new YouTuber. Okay, and I want you guys to share this video. I appreciate all my videos that you've been sharing, but share this video because I'm in the process of building a mom community, and I want to get to 7,000 moms. I want to reach 7,000 moms this year. No, you don't have to be a mom to be a part of the Mama Tribe. You can even come in if you just want to learn more about motherhood. But my focus is to target moms, and I'm not on social media anymore. I will make a separate video about that. But yes, share this video. I appreciate everything that you all are doing. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions about videos that you would like to see, them down in the comment box. And thanks again. And I'll see you in the next YouTube video. Bye.